Package includes 129 pieces of electronic product cleaning set, 1 tweezer, 3 small size cleaning brushes, 1 medium size cleaning brush, 1 large size cleaning brush, 1 air blow, 1 cleaning cloth, 100 wooden cleaning sticks, 10 pointed sponge cleaning sticks, 10 round sponge cleaning sticks, and 1 silver drawstring storage bag, and the whole set is complete and sufficient for your repeated uses. Easy to use. First, clean the dust on the surface of the phone with a suitable size cleaning brush, then use air blow as a dust collector to blow it away, and then wipe it with a cleaning stick or cloth. Equipped with 3 types of cleaning brush and a variety of cleaning sticks, you can choose according to the size of the equipment. Make your cleaning more convenient. Considerate design. Our products have an anti-static design, which can thoroughly clean mobile phones and other electronic products without leaving any fibers. No need to deal with static electricity and fluff, then they can save your time to the large extent. Wide application. This cell phone cleaning kit can be used for earphone charging case, earphone, mobile phone, keyboard, razor, electronic circuit board, laptop, hearing aid, watch, etc. To keep your electronic products clean and tidy. Storage bag. We provide you with 1 silver drawstring storage bag, which is 14.5